In today's interconnected world, network security is paramount. As cyber threats grow more sophisticated, safeguarding sensitive data and resources is critical. Intrusion Detection Systems, or IDS, are essential tools in this ongoing battle. They act as watchful sentinels, constantly monitoring network traffic for any signs of malicious activity. IDS provide an extra layer of protection beyond traditional firewalls. While firewalls act as gatekeepers, blocking unauthorized access, IDS function as vigilant guards. They scrutinize network traffic for suspicious patterns, alerting administrators to potential intrusions. This early warning system allows for rapid response, mitigating damage and preventing further compromise. The importance of intrusion detection cannot be overstated. With the increasing frequency and complexity of cyber attacks, relying solely on preventative measures like firewalls is no longer sufficient. IDS offer a proactive approach to security, enabling organizations to detect and respond to threats before they can inflict significant harm. From small businesses to large enterprises, government agencies to individual users, everyone connected to a network benefits from the protection offered by intrusion detection systems. By identifying and mitigating threats in real time, IDS play a crucial role in maintaining a secure and resilient digital environment. Intrusion detection systems are broadly categorized into two main types: network intrusion detection systems, or NIDS, and host intrusion detection systems, or HIDS. Each type employs distinct methods to safeguard networks and systems from malicious activities. NIDS are strategically positioned at network entry and exit points to monitor traffic flowing through the network. They analyze network packets, searching for suspicious patterns or known attack signatures. By observing traffic in transit, NIDS can detect and respond to threats targeting multiple hosts within the network. HIDS, on the other hand, are installed on individual hosts or devices. They focus on monitoring the activities occurring within that specific system. HIDS analyze system logs, file changes, and running processes for any signs of compromise. Both NIDS and HIDS play vital roles in a comprehensive security strategy. NIDS provide a broader view of network traffic, detecting intrusions targeting multiple hosts. HIDS offer a more granular perspective, focusing on individual system activities and detecting threats that might evade network-level detection. By deploying both types of IDS, organizations can establish a multi-layered defense system that safeguards against a wider range of threats. Signature-based detection is a widely used technique employed by many intrusion detection systems. This method relies on a database of known attack signatures, which are essentially digital fingerprints of malicious activities. When network traffic or system events are analyzed by an IDS, the system compares the observed patterns against its database of signatures. If a match is found, it indicates that a known attack is underway, and the IDS can trigger an alert. Signature-based detection is highly effective at identifying and blocking known threats. It provides a reliable defense against previously documented attacks, preventing them from compromising systems or data. The constant updating of signature databases ensures that IDS remain effective against evolving threats. However, this method has limitations. Signature-based detection is ineffective against zero-day attacks, which are new and unknown exploits that have yet to be documented and added to signature databases. As attackers constantly develop new techniques, signature-based detection alone is insufficient for complete protection. Anomaly-based detection is another crucial technique employed by intrusion detection systems to identify and counter malicious activities. This method focuses on identifying deviations from established baselines of normal system or network behavior. To establish these baselines, anomaly-based IDS systems first learn the typical patterns of activity within a network or on a specific host. This learning process involves analyzing network traffic, system logs, and user behavior over time. Once a baseline is established, the IDS continuously monitors for any significant deviations. Any activity that falls outside the defined parameters of normal behavior is flagged as suspicious. This could include unusual network traffic patterns, unauthorized system access attempts, or unexpected file modifications. Anomaly-based detection is particularly effective at identifying insider threats and zero-day attacks, which often manifest as deviations from typical behavior. While this method offers advantages in detecting previously unknown threats, it can also generate false positives. Legitimate activities that differ from the established baseline may trigger alerts. Therefore, fine-tuning and continuous refinement of the baseline are essential to minimize false positives and ensure accurate detection. Section 5. File Integrity Monitoring, Guarding Critical Data. File Integrity Monitoring, or FIM, is an integral component of host intrusion detection systems, playing a vital role in safeguarding critical system files and data from unauthorized alterations. FIM focuses on detecting any changes made to files and directories that are deemed essential for system operation or data integrity. HIDs employing FIM continuously monitor designated files and directories for any modifications. This includes changes to file content, timestamps, permissions, and other attributes. By maintaining a baseline of these attributes, FIM can quickly identify any unauthorized alterations. When a change is detected, the HIDs can trigger an alert, notifying administrators of the potential security breach. This allows for immediate investigation and response, preventing further damage or data loss. FIM is particularly effective at detecting malware infections, as many malicious programs attempt to modify system files or install themselves in critical directories. By incorporating FIM, HIDs provide an additional layer of protection, ensuring the integrity of critical system files and valuable data. This proactive security measure helps maintain system stability, prevents data breaches, and ensures the overall security posture of the host. Section 6. System Log Monitoring, Unveiling Suspicious Activities. System log monitoring is a fundamental aspect of host intrusion detection systems, providing valuable insights into the activities occurring within a system. HIDs continuously collect and analyze various system logs, searching for patterns and events that might indicate malicious activity. These logs record a wide range of system events, including user login attempts, file accesses, application executions, and system errors. By analyzing these logs, HIDs can identify suspicious patterns, such as multiple failed login attempts, unauthorized access to sensitive files, or the execution of malicious scripts. System log analysis enables HIDs to detect both internal and external threats. Unauthorized user activities, potential malware infections, and even system malfunctions can be identified by analyzing log data. The information gathered from logs is crucial for incident response, allowing administrators to understand the scope of an attack, identify compromised systems, and take appropriate remediation steps. Effective system log monitoring requires careful configuration and management. Determining which logs to monitor, filtering irrelevant data, and establishing appropriate alert thresholds are crucial for minimizing false positives and ensuring the efficiency of the HIDs. Section 7. Behavioral Analysis, Identifying Malicious Patterns. Behavioral analysis is an advanced technique employed by some intrusion detection systems, or IDS, to identify malicious activities by analyzing patterns and deviations in user and system behavior. Rather than solely relying on known attack signatures or static rules, behavioral analysis focuses on understanding normal behavior and detecting anomalies. This approach involves establishing baselines of typical user and system activities. By continuously monitoring network traffic, system logs, and user actions, behavioral analysis systems create profiles that represent normal behavior patterns. Deviations from these established profiles can indicate potential threats. For example, a sudden increase in data transfer volume, access to unusual network resources, or changes in login patterns could all be signs of malicious activity. Behavioral analysis systems can detect these subtle anomalies, even if they do not match any known attack signatures. This proactive approach to threat detection is particularly effective at identifying insider threats, zero-day exploits, and other sophisticated attacks that might evade traditional security measures. By understanding and adapting to evolving threat landscapes, behavioral analysis enhances the effectiveness of IDS in safeguarding networks and systems. Section 8. Real-world applications of intrusion detection systems. Intrusion detection systems, or IDS, have become indispensable tools for organizations of all sizes, safeguarding their networks and data from a wide range of cyber threats. Their real-world applications span various industries and sectors, demonstrating their critical role in modern security infrastructures. In the financial sector, IDS are crucial for protecting sensitive financial data, preventing fraud, and ensuring the integrity of transactions. By monitoring network traffic for suspicious activities, such as unauthorized access attempts or data exfiltration, financial institutions can mitigate risks and comply with stringent regulatory requirements. Government agencies rely heavily on IDS to safeguard classified information, protect critical infrastructure, and defend against cyber espionage. By detecting and responding to intrusions in real time, government agencies can maintain national security and ensure the continuity of essential services. Healthcare organizations leverage IDS to protect patient data, secure medical devices, and comply with high-pay regulations. By monitoring network traffic and system activity for suspicious behavior, healthcare providers can prevent data breaches, safeguard patient privacy, and ensure the integrity of medical records. These examples highlight the diverse applications of IDS in safeguarding sensitive information and critical systems. Their ability to detect and respond to threats in real time makes them essential components of comprehensive security strategies across various industries. Section 9. Proactive security measures beyond intrusion detection. While intrusion detection systems, or IDS, are essential for network security, they are most effective when combined with other proactive security measures. A multi-layered approach to security provides the best defense against evolving cyber threats. Regular security assessments and penetration testing are crucial for identifying vulnerabilities before attackers can exploit them. These assessments simulate real-world attack scenarios, allowing organizations to identify weaknesses in their security posture and take corrective actions. Implementing strong password policies and multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to access sensitive data. Strong passwords combined with additional authentication factors, such as one-time codes or biometric verification, significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Keeping software and systems up to date with the latest security patches is essential for mitigating vulnerabilities. Software vendors regularly release updates and patches to address newly discovered security flaws. Promptly applying these updates prevents attackers from exploiting known vulnerabilities. By combining intrusion detection with these proactive security measures, organizations can significantly strengthen their security posture, reduce their attack surface, and enhance their overall cyber resilience. Section 10. Conclusion. Intrusion detection, a vital component of network security. In today's interconnected world, network security is paramount. As cyber attacks grow increasingly sophisticated, organizations and individuals must take proactive measures to protect their valuable data and resources. Intrusion detection systems, or IDS, have become indispensable tools in this ongoing battle, acting as vigilant guardians against malicious activities. By continuously monitoring network traffic and system behavior for suspicious patterns, IDS provide an early warning system, enabling organizations to detect and respond to threats before significant damage occurs. From detecting known attack signatures to identifying anomalous behavior, IDS play a crucial role in identifying and mitigating a wide range of cyber threats. However, IDS are most effective when deployed as part of a comprehensive security strategy. Combining IDS with other proactive measures such as regular security assessments, strong password policies, and timely software updates creates a multi-layered defense that significantly strengthens an organization's security posture. As technology continues to advance and cyber threats become more sophisticated, the role of intrusion detection in maintaining a secure digital environment will only become more critical. By embracing the power of IDS and implementing them effectively, organizations can confidently navigate the ever-evolving threat landscape and safeguard their valuable assets.